Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Crystal and I'm back again with another video guys. So guys, in this video as you see in the title guys, I'm going to talk about oh I'm going to do a story time and I am it. Yes, but I love that my money my man bad. So guys, just stay tuned for this video and please remember guys, like, share, comment and subscribe and watch the video to the end guys. I'm out.
Yeah, you're the one for me. You're the one for me. You're the one. All the signs say that ever since the day.
Guys, yes, I'm back again with another video guys. So in this video guys, I'm gonna share my story time with you guys. Oh, I was a Yamabella, I was a Yamed guys, but no, I am not anymore. So guys, please remember to watch the video to the end without skipping. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to do some badass pranks guys. So guys, anyway, I'm gonna get into the story time. So guys, I dip on social media. I dip on social media when I time. I did much younger. So I was like, I did love social media at them time. It was much younger than this. I talk like I'm 18, I'm 19. So guys, I dip on social media on Facebook one night. So I see this cute, sweet face boy, you know. Text me cute, me I see the boy cute, and the boy swim. I tell the guy, the boy nice. So I see the boy pop up in my messenger and text me. So I say I say back I to him. Him say I say back I and we start talk. Yeah, we start talk. We start text regular. We actually text every day. Because me did like him. But me don't know if him did like him. But me did like him. But me never tell him. So we did our text every day. And when I time, me I wonder how him never like say him want meet me or nothing. The time later go in a months, no weeks, go to months. So me I say, oh this boy never interested if he say yet. Him would don't want meet me or them thing there. So mama say ask him where him live and him tell me but him tell me say a prison him there. So me hear say the boy there prison, me feel a way because me say oh I don't want to meet the boy and things that go good between me and him and then now when me hear say a prison there the whole vibes just it never change, it never stop me from still talking but it just feel different guys. So me and him still there we text say we text, we talk, we call one another on the phone, I call him every night. Every night I call this boy till him start beg me credit. Me never take it nothing at first, you know, when him start beg me the credit, you know. Me never take it too personal him time there when him usually ask me for credit. Me usually send him $500 out of credit, 3 bills, 4 bills out of credit, but you know say plus you know say my service have to put on too. Cause me love my service but yup, that's me. So me I say no guys, the boy start beg me credit often no one thing like that. So me I send him the credit them every time I ask him. Me nah feel no way about them time they you know. Cause instead of me, you know, it just a wait, you know, just a wait for those bam. Yeah. Me not drink soap when it me wait till it warm before me drink my soup. So him beg me the credit them and me send him and thing like that. So months now run on and all of that. So me find out the guy always tell me say him not have nothing for eat in the prison and this and that. But true me like him now, you know, me feel sorry for him now and something me did a work. Me did work them time there. And me feel sorry for the boy and thing. So me I say, oh, me I say, God, how way this I go turn out in to know. Some money begging thing, some transaction with money. What am I gonna do? How me I go help him? Me have to go send him a week's pay. My 1 week's pay. Me have to go lodge it in an account to give him. God talk to me. I was like that. So guys, alright. So indeed, and he tell me that so me I say I'm sorry for hear that and thing like that. Him start to feel me out. So him ask me my work and him me I tell me about my work. Then after that, I just get sorry for him after a while, and then me start sending money to our account. Meanwhile, him did there in a prison. Me send him money every week or every 2 weeks. Him 8 grand, him 9 grand, or him 10 grand. Oh, it go. Yeah. So me start sending money now. So me see him I take it as a habit, like him want for control my money when me at work. Like him want me to give him the whole of my pay. Him no want me have no money for myself. I mean I tell her say, oh me meet that boy they know. Them did have 1 August. I don't remember you know which year, whether sometime in 2020 in 2019. Somewhere around them years there. So in a 1 August them did have a family visit in there at the prison when they there. So I did a lift off work and I go meet him. I buy the boy shoes, you know. Oh, I buy him Air Force. Yes, Air Force and polo, right? Polo for days. I buy the boy polo shirt, jeans pants with a Louis Vuitton belt. Me see I spend about, if you tell you the truth, I spend about $120,000 a day when I go look for the boy. And I go meet him and thing like that. And me give him things them. Me know me never give him hand and them collect it at the front desk so. And them never take their clothes because me never know say them not wear colored clothes and go plain white clothes or black straight. Them can't wear nothing colorful in there. Because them say they don't want nobody use it and mark them when them come a road. So me never get to give him them they. And me even buy him traveling bag. Well, if shit me buy film, spray, condition, shampoo, roll and toothpaste. Well, if I deodorants. So after we come back now, I take all 2 pictures with him and shit and I burn that fuck up. I burn it up to my grave. The boy they in a prison I do scamming. Like them they online on Facebook, I scam out people as glad, I scam girl to get money in there. So anyways, me come find out now say that him did I do. Him always want monitor my money when me get paid. Him always wonder how much money me I get. Him does all about the money credit, money credit, money credit, money credit. So when I tell him now he did ask me to send him more money and me couldn't send me no but me just never want to. Him ask me to send him more money but me just see if I really the money him really want. So me never send it. Me tell him say me not have no money. The boy start get upset for me like say me and mother like me supposed to send him the money after so much money when me send him already. So me begs with him, me never that talk to him for a couple while. Him text me, I try to friend me back after that and everything and me just never into it. So when I tell him no me that work, me change my workplace, I work somewhere else. And me see him text me and stuff like that. Then she me not answer him then him and one of my classmates, I get to understand say that day when him did the reward. One of my classmates, me and I jolly got the same school, so I get to find out say what him and the girl are there. So she never send him the money, he send me the girl picture and I talk about bad girl this and that and I'm woman and stuff like that. So I say, I don't give a fuck who you want to talk to, just stop texting me phone and finish with your youth. Because me did have done that relationship there. Anyhow, me never done that relationship, that boy would right now would come after nothing. I wouldn't have nothing in a life. Me did have left that the boy. I remember some me no know him from no one. He come like see how the boy drain me. The boy drain me down to nothing. I buy the boy everything. I give the boy money. I have credit. Them time them it was a big hole I made. Me not in a life, but no, my heart not so full again to nobody at all. And the boy is very ungrateful. Him ungrateful bad. Him never appreciate nothing when me do for him. It's like him did just stream there in a prison. Him I look for somebody for rescue him, but everything is okay now. I forgot about that long years ago. My all came mother and his sister go have lunch like dinner and give him mother money to buy him little sister uniform clothes. That is how I see. I'm a very kind person, so and that is the least because that are from a long time and when you give you receive even more than that. So that was that. But guys, not anymore. Not anymore, not anymore. And I like me know this person from before him get arrested, you know, when him in them, I know him. And the person come like say, him want every dime with me I work. Like me just I work for him, not myself, not for take care of me. I work for take care of him. Me I work and I give him my money them. So guys, me did just cut him off completely. It's another history. I haven't heard from him back for a while nor anything, but him is just something else. And guys, this is the end of the video. So please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and support the thing as it. Yes guys, and watch the video to the end. Watch my videos to the end guys. It was keeping to be my watch time. Yes guys, and guys, big up on yourself and remember if you love on bye. I'm out.
L. Tell that bitch I'm open, she couldn't even be Gail. I'm me. When will these